Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. It's a soft glam and easy to create. So I'm starting with Plum Goodness Green Tea Face Mist and I'm misting this all over my face. This stuff is so good. And then I'm going to be using my M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC20. And I'm just taking it on the back of my hand and blending this in with my beauty sponge. I really like this foundation and I'm covering up my acne spots and blemishes. Then I'm using LA Girl and Maybelline concealer. If you have noticed or seen my Instagram, I use two concealers, one matching to my skin tone and second a lighter shade. I really like these concealers. I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyes, my nose, my forehead, chin, basically everywhere. I'm just blending all this concealer out with my beauty sponge. And after that, I'm going to be setting everything out with my Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. I'm pressing this into my skin and basically powdering everywhere where I applied my concealer just to make sure it doesn't move and it stays put. And I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit and I'm using my Purplle Once in a Lifetime compact. Then I'm using this blush by LA Colors So Cheeky and Highlight palette. I'm gonna mix these two colors and apply it on my cheeks, chin and my nose. It's shimmery so it works like a highlighter too. Then I'll do my eyebrows. I'm using Nykaa eyebrow pencil and an eyebrow gel. I'll be using Jaclyn palette and I really love this palette. First I'll highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Now I'm taking these brown shades and I'm as always gonna put this into my crease. I always do a brown color in the crease no matter what look I do. And now I'm also gonna drag this color down to my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take my Lakme eyeshadow palette and take this beautiful pinkish color. What I'm gonna do with this is I'm basically gonna put it on top of the brown shade I just applied because I want it to be a little bit more pink instead of brown, so I'm just popping that on my center lid. Then I'm taking this pink shimmery shade and I'll apply it on my outer corner and my inner corner. Now I'm taking this beautiful creamy shade and I'll apply it on my center lid so it's more like a hello eye look. I just kept on adding these shimmery shades on until I was satisfied with the pigment and how the color looked. I also had to apply some eyeliner, just like a little wing. I feel like I have to do this with every single makeup look I do now because I feel weird if I don't wear my wing liner. Now I'm going with lip liner. This is the Color Bomb lip liner. I don't know the shade and it's not written on the liner. Then I'll apply my liquid lipsticks. I'm using Miss Clear and Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. And these are so pretty, especially the Miss Clear one. I loved the formula and how this made my lips feel like it wasn't sticky at all. Here comes my baby. With him, I know a secret comfort and a private peace. I think dogs are the most amazing creatures. They give unconditional love. He's getting old, so just enjoy every moment with your dog. Now I'm gonna apply lip gloss from L'Oreal. I rarely apply lip glosses because I don't like them much. Then I almost forgot highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and this is intense. Like, you only need a little tiny bit, because if you apply more then you're going to look crazy. I really love this highlighter. So this is gonna be it for the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this look, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in my next video.